Hi everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to do addition in a better way. I'm going to divide this into 3 steps. These will really help. Let's get started. For the first step, we just want to get a grasp of the question. We just want to just look at it and just like know the question. And the first thing that comes up with me, just specifically me, that I wonder what the T and the O mean. The T is tens place and the O is ones place. The two and the not D2, 2 and 9 are in the ones place and 3 and 1 are in the tens place. So now that we grasp that, we just need to look at the question itself. So 32 plus 19 is the question we have. And the step 1 only requires you to just look at the question. We just want to just look at it. Not that big of a deal. So for step 2, we're actually doing something right now. We're going to add 2 plus 9. For step 2, we're going to add 2 plus 9. That we're only going to worry about the ones place, not the tens place, just the ones place. And before you do anything in the addition problem, I want to make it clear that you do the ones place first. You do the O part, the ones place first. The ones place first. And then you do the and then you do the tens place after. You never do the tens place first and the ones place after you did the tens place. You do the ones place first and then the tens place. So let's just do step 2. So we have 2 plus 9. So let's have 2 circles. Let's have 2 circles here. 1, 2. And then we have 9 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 here. And we need to count all of these. The point of addition is you add something to your collection. So let's add all of these. So let's only, not all of them, just add 2 and 9. These 2 circles and these 9 circles. So let's add them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now that we know that 2 plus 9 is 11, we're going to put down that 11. No. You see what mistake I did there? We're not going to put down the 11. We're going to carry the 11. We're going to carry the tens place part over here. We're going to carry it over here. We're going to carry it here. We're going to carry it here. And then we're going to put that 1, that 1 equals 1, so the 11. And then we're going to put the number that was in the tens place. See, the 3 and the 1 were in the tens place. They were after the 2 and the 9. The 1 was after the 9 and the 2 was after the 1. The 1 was after the 9 and the 3 was after the 2. So we're going to take that 1 from that 11 and then we're going to put it over here. We're going to put it over here. We had 11 here. We're not going to put the 11 itself there. We're going to take that 1 that we had away from the other one that started out. We're going to put that 1 over here above the 3, above the tens place. And that's it. That's step 2. We're done with step 2. For more details on this, I have a previous video talking about how to carry numbers. Check that out. And so we have that. We grasped what we had over here. Then that's step 2. We're not going to complete the question itself. Step 3 is when we complete it. So 2 and 9 over here we got 11. So over here we're going to still get 11. And then we're going to put that 1 we had over here, up here, because that's where we put it last time. And then we're gonna add. We're straight up just gonna add. We're gonna add. But that's all we're going to do. We're just straight up going to add. We're not going to do anything else. Okay, let's add that 1. So I'm gonna put 1 circle here, one circle there, and 3 circles here, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 circle here. And the 1 is part of the tens place now. The 1 is part of the tens place. I hope I made myself clear there. The 1 is part of the tens place. It's towards, it's near the plus sign. It's near this sign over here. It's near that sign. So that means it's tens place. That doesn't mean it's tens place. It's just that it's below the T, which means tens place. So the 1 is part of the tens place, so we add it with the 3 and the 1 we have over here, and we're gonna add all of them. We're not gonna, this does not have any special powers or something else people call it. This 1 over here does not have special powers. It doesn't. It's just a number that's above, or below. That's above the 3 but below the T, which means it's in the tens place. So it has no special power. This has no special. The one of the green, the one that is green, this one over here does not have any special power. So we're just going to add it. So let's add the circles. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 is going to be 5. 51 is our answer. These are fun. Let's do another one. So for our next question over here, we have 23 plus 18, and I've got that T and the O, tens place and the ones place. And remember what I said. For the first step, we're just going to take a look at it. We're just going to grasp everything. We're just going to take a look at that question, and that's it. We're not going to do anything. We're not going to write anything. We're just going to take a look at it. And for step 2, we're actually going to start doing it. So let's finish doing step 1. So 23 plus 18 is our question. Okay. I get that. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to step 2, because that's all we need to do. Step 1 is just looking at the question. So for step 2, we're gonna add both the numbers in the ones place. So we have 3 circles here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 circles below the 3 circles. And what we do, like I said, what we do in addition is we're gonna add stuff to your collection. You had 3, you had 23, you had 3. Let's not worry about the 2 and the 1 over here. Let's not worry about the 2 and the 1 over there. Let's just worry about the 3 and the 8. So you had 3 in the first place, and then you added 8 to your collection of 3. So let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 3 plus 8 is going to be 11, so we know that. But wait. So we have to, like I said, that's the same answer we got for 9 plus 2. So 3 plus 8 is going to be 11, and we're going to take that 1 we had in the tens place, and we're going to put it above the 2, and below, we're going to put it below the tens place, the T over here. We're going to put it below the tens place. So now that we did that, let's add that we put that 1 over here. We got that 1 over here, and then that's it. That's step 1. That's step 2. That's the end of step 2. That's all we're going to do. That's step 2. Let me not be very sloppy. So for step 3, like I said in the previous question, we're actually going to finish up the tens place. So we had like in the previous, we had the 1, so we're still gonna put the 1 here, and we had that other 1 over up here. We had that other 1 up here. And in the tens place, it's in the tens place, below the tens place. Because how do we know that? Because T is tens place and O is ones place. And the 1 is below the tens place, the T, I should say. And the that same 1 is above the 2. So it's still going to be part of the question, of the part of that part of the question. It does not have any special powers. So keep that in mind. It does not. No question. No question, when you carry in addition, no, that number that you carry does not have any extra special powers. Just keep that in mind. And we have one circle here. So let's actually add now. Let's actually finish up the problem. Okay, so we had one circle here, and we have 2 circles here, 1, 2, and then we have 1 circle here. Let's count all the circles. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 circles. We had 4 circles. 4 circles. So the answer to 23 plus 18 is going to be 41. Thank you for watching.